In today's adventure, we are going to be hunting in Florida for the Osceola turkey. We hunt these turkeys during the mating season in the spring when the male turkeys gobble and strut and are looking for hens to make love. Essentially, we throw out some calls and pretend to be a female turkey in hopes a big tom can come to us within shotgun range. For our first turkey hunt, we did some scouting before the season started just to see if there were any turkeys in the area, and sure enough, there were turkeys everywhere and were already starting to group up and strut. Let's see if me and my brother can make it happen and harvest our first turkey ever. We didn't have any toms show up in the morning, but I did hear a single gobble, so I knew he was somewhere in the area. The only thing that showed up all morning were some hens. So we took a break and came back for an afternoon hunt. And to my surprise, as I was distracted on my phone, thinking nothing was going to show up, when this happened. Alright boys, let's go check out this turkey because unfortunately, I did not get it on video. You know, this tom didn't make a single sound. He's quiet. I was not ready for him. I had the camera set up and everything, and he just walked past the decoys. He probably took 1 second looking at them, and then he kept walking. He really did not give me a chance to hit the record button on the cameras. So here's the blind. It's right there. I have the decoys set up at 25 yards. He looked at the decoys for 1 second and he kept walking. I had no time to react. No time to react. He kept walking inside of these vines, and I had to make turkey sounds with my mouth. Not a turkey call, just my mouth, to get him to stop so I could take a shot at him. He kept walking. I had to rush things and I had no time to record, which kind of sucks because this was my first turkey ever and I didn't even get it on camera. I thought I was ready for it, but I guess not. But there he is. Beautiful bird. Beautiful bird. It's got a pretty nice beard on it. I'd say that's an 8-inch beard. Yeah. This leg's missing a spur. This is probably like a 3/4 of an inch spur. Beautiful bird. Absolutely gorgeous. Smoked them. I'd say that's probably 30 yards from the blind. 30 yards. Man, that sucks I didn't get it on video. So, you know, sometimes you just gotta act fast, man. I wish I was recording this whole time, but I wasn't ready for it. I was not ready for him, and I wish I got it on video, but you know, this is my first tom ever, which is kind of insane. I'm still shaking a little bit because I had to act fast, and I'm probably sounding too excited, but I can see why these people get so excited for turkey hunting. You know, people wait for it all year round. It's pretty fun, and it's kind of frustrating because I thought I was gonna be able to call him in and then he was gonna gobble and come in straight, but he just kept walking. Didn't even stop to give me a chance to record. But I am a happy camper, I tell you that. Finally got a tom. Oh yeah, he's heavy. He's a heavy bird. He probably weighs 18 pounds. That is a heavy bird. I don't wanna mess up his fan, and I messed up his fan. Ah. Yeah, that was on me, but imagine carrying this bird for 2 miles. I got him. There's my blind set up. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Here's the gun that did it all. Right here. Got it done. Little budget shotgun. Smoked him. Let's go. There it is, the setup. Sheesh.
He got one spare.
Yeah, he only has one spare. Hold him up.
That's definitely my bird.
Alright then, boys, we're gonna call it a day. Where's that smile?
Ain't no smile for me.
Alright, boys. See y'all around. Till next time. Alright, boys. So, these birds were gobbling all morning to the left of where we set up the blind, but they never came near us. So yesterday we came out here scouting to see if we could see any birds go up on the roost, and there were a whole bunch of jakes out in this field. At least it looked like jakes, and one of them was strutting all afternoon. We were watching them all afternoon. They were just strutting and feeding. They went up on the roost. We set up somewhat close to them, but not too close. Gobbling all morning, but never got near us. So I guess we're just gonna go home, have some lunch, maybe try again in the afternoon. So see you then. That's so crazy. What you think about that, son? Like 15 jakes. Right on the roost.
It's cool watching them fly down.
Too bad that they're jakes. If they were toms, we would have smoked them. I'm very glad we woke up this morning. You know, that was pretty cool to see. Even though it's not what we're looking for, it's pretty cool. Never, you know, set up right next to the roost. Seeing them fly down. They were fired up though. The birds were roosted like right there, somewhere in those pine trees. We heard them, but we thought they were further away. And we were set up right there, right next to the roost. They came straight down towards the decoys. I had the GoPro set up right next to the decoys. They didn't get too close, but
No jakes today. Longbeard don't.
gonna call it a day, or at least call it a morning. Maybe we'll come out here in the afternoon, but who knows if there's even a tom out here. So, nothing but jakes. So, see you guys then. As you guys can see, this property has a lot of jakes, but are not the big mature toms that we were after. As the days turned into weeks, we kept on hunting and only ended up seeing more hens and more jakes around our decoys. But we hadn't given up yet, as my brother was really wanting to get his tom since I already had gotten mine at the start of the season. We knew there was only one tom left in the same area I had shot mine, because we have had him show up on trail camera multiple times and has avoided us for weeks. As turkey season was coming to an end, we decided to set up in the same spot I had killed my tom and were prepared for him to show up. Walking down to the spot. The last day. Get it done. Last day of turkey season 26. Let's go, son. Let's go.
Oh my God.
Let's go, son. Let's go.
We're on it.
Dude, I knew it was gonna happen. I had a feeling. I don't think I got him on this camera. He started walking off frame.
Oh my God.
Let's go. Dude, oh my God. Dude,
smoked
hold up.
Smoked them.
Damn it.
I think he came from somewhere else.
I don't know, dude. He started quarter strutting.
Check
Dude, he started. That caught my eye, dude. Hold on. No, he's good. Just let him. Those are nerves. Make sure the gun's unloaded. Bro, I had a feeling.
Let's go. Last day. Let's go.
He did not like him.
Dude, he checked that out and started walking away.
He's good. You smoked him. He's big. He broke his neck. Oh my God. Come on, dude. Give me some skin.
Let's go.
I freaking told you. I had a feeling.
Go.
Dude, I had a feeling that he was going to come out. I don't think I got him off that main camera, but I was recording on my phone. Dude, this dude is massive.
Big bird.
On the last day of turkey season, dude. The last day.
Got him.
Dude.
Oh, man.
So it's the last day of turkey season here in Florida, and he managed to get one. Walnut over here.
He started walking away, bro.
I don't understand. How do they not like these decoys? The same thing happened on the bird I killed. He went up to the decoys. He didn't like them, and he started walking away. Just let him, a little bit low.
Yeah, because he's starting to walk away.
I knew I heard a gobble this morning. I heard him gobble one time, and he went completely silent. Look at this beautiful bird here. Look at that. Dude, I had a feeling he was going to come out, bro. I knew it. I heard it gobble this morning.
I don't.
Look at that. Oh my. Look at the spurs on him. This same thing happened to the Tom I killed. We were on our phones when he decided to come up. He came up straight to the decoys, but he didn't. Something about it he didn't like, so he started walking away. He had to quickly throw out some calls to get his attention and took the shot. He was already walking away by then, but I'm shaking. It's not. I was not even shaking this bad with my bird. The Tom I killed, I was not shaking this bad, dude. I'm shaking. Woo! I'm getting too excited. Dude, we've been working. We've been out here so many times trying to get this Tom. He's avoided us so many times. But look his head. Did it change color when he saw the decoys?
I don't know. I wasn't even focusing on that.
Because every time we have him on trail camera, I'll probably put it up on the screen.
To be honest with you, I don't know where I hit him. He's not really bleeding much.
You hit him in the neck, that's for sure. Because he broke his neck. That thing was
There's not that many feathers either.
He folded him like 90 degrees. We've been after this Tom for so long. He's avoided us so many times. He's been out here like 30 minutes after we leave and stuff. Like, oh my God, I can't even explain how long we've been after this bird. And we got it done on the last day. He finally decided to come out when we were here set up. Dude. Oh, yes!
Oh, Rob was like, oh, he's walking away.
Bro.
Oh my God.
I don't understand how they're not like attacking these decoys like you see a lot of
going straight for it.
Yeah, but they're not like attacking them. You know what I'm saying? Like hitting them with their spurs and wing slapping them. Same thing happened on my Tom. He got attracted to the decoys, but then something about it he didn't like, so he started walking away. Man, I don't think I got him on this camera, but I was recording on my phone anyways. I was like, just in case.
Oh my God.
Just
were you recording on that camera?
Yeah, because he was walking out of frame. That's why. I recorded on my phone though. He was walking out of frame because he didn't like the decoys or something. Yes! Oh my god, dude, yes, look at that. How does feathers all the way over here?
Got the hooks on him.
Beautiful.
That's a heavy bird. I
Yeah.
think it's heavier than yours.
I don't know. He
Check
does
out.
look bigger than mine, but oh my
He's heavy.
god, dude, it's heavy. I can't even lift him on one arm.
Woo!
Oh, I don't want to mess up his fan. Some pictures and stuff.
That's when you're gonna hang him.
Unless you want to take pictures now while he's still, you know, not stiff.
Yeah.
Beautiful bird. Look at the snoot on him. Pretty big beard. I'd probably say that's like close to 9 inches. 9-inch beard. Look at the spurs on him. I'd say these are about 3/4 of an inch. Kind of pushing an inch. Look at the feathers on him. This is an Osceola. Maybe not a true Osceola from South Florida, but it's still considered an Osceola. Mostly black on all his wing feathers. Look at the flocking on his back. Beautiful bird. Put the fan up. Put the fan up.
Look at that beautiful bird.